Jim can run 5 miles per hour on level ground on a still day. On a windy day, he runs 10 miles with the wind, and in the same amount of time runs 4 miles against the wind. What is the rate of the wind? Well, we're going to have to make a lot of assumptions in this problem, having to do with how wind affects running, but let's solve this problem as intended. We're going to be using the equation distance is rate times time, and we're going to let r be the rate of the wind. Let's set up a chart to organize the material. We're going to have the column headings being rate, distance, and time, and I put the units up in the columns also so I don't have to worry about them in the individual cells. And we're going to have two equations of motion, one with the wind and one against the wind. So running with the wind, he's going to be running at his rate, 5 miles per hour plus the rate of the wind. And against the wind, 5 minus x, where x is the rate of the wind. The distance he runs with the wind is 10 miles, whereas the distance he runs against the wind is 4 miles. And using the formula that time is equal to distance over rate, we can fill in the last column. So in the word problem, it said he could run 10 miles with the wind in the same amount of time he could run 4 miles against the wind. So we're going to set those times equal and we get this equation. Cross multiplying, we get this equation. And solving this now linear equation for x, we get x is 30 over 14. Simplifying, we get that's 2 1/7 miles per hour. That's a final answer.